Ever wondered why certain websites pop up first when you search something on Google? The magic lies in keywords. Imagine you're craving pizza. You type pizza delivery into Google. That's a keyword. So in our pizza delivery example, pizza delivery is the keyword. Simple, isn't it? Now, you might be wondering, why do these keywords matter? Well, think of keywords as the DNA of SEO. Search engines like Google use these keywords to identify which websites answer a user's query. Crafted with precision, keywords can elevate a website's visibility, driving more traffic its way, and with it, potential customers. Hence, choosing the right keywords is like having a secret code that can unlock a treasure trove of potential customers. So now that you understand the magic of keywords, what's next? Well, it's time to put that knowledge to work. Choosing the right keywords can significantly boost your website's visibility. Don't wait. Start applying your knowledge about keywords today. And if you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to never miss an update from us. Remember, Authority Solutions is always here to help with your SEO needs.